Good morning everybody, myself Vishwendra, the founder of Optimal Success Trajectory. Today we will discuss about some graphs of SHM, simple harmonic motion. We have assumed that the phase is zero, initial phase is zero, so the particle started from origin. We have three things in SHM: position, velocity and acceleration. Let's suppose position is x is equal to a sin omega t. So the graph will be a sine graph, as you can see over there. Here t is the time period, which is the time period of SHM, which is equal to 2 pi by omega. Velocity is differentiating that, so you will get a omega cos omega t, and acceleration as minus omega square a sin omega t. So the graph of velocity will be a cosine curve. You can easily draw that. The graph of acceleration will be a negative of sine curve. This will just take reflection about the t-axis. There is one important relation. If we square this term, we will get v square is a square omega square cos square omega t. Now cos square omega t can be written as 1 minus sin square omega t. So we have v square is a square omega square minus a square omega square sin square omega t. So a square sin square omega t is x square. So we have the relation v square plus omega square x square is a square omega square. And this is the equation of an ellipse. So the position and velocity graph will be an ellipse. So in this way you can draw the graphs and solve your questions quickly. So whatever you learn, you must learn them in a proper system, in an interconnected way. This is called spider map methods, and it helps you to retain information in a very effective way. So the difference between a successful and unsuccessful student is in the process executed by their mind. Successful students use memory maps, memory techniques, NLP, neurological techniques. So there are a lot of techniques, and you must learn in accordance with techniques so that you are able to retain that information for a much longer time, and you are able to retrieve the desired information during your test papers. So just to remember, your mind is a machine. You just know how it performs the best, how it functions better. So whatever information you have learned, make sure it is learned in a systematic and interrelated way. Only then you will be able to retrieve it effectively. Thank you and have a nice day.